Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today's question is, do you need 500 connections on LinkedIn to be successful? And the answer is no, you don't need. Now, the only benefit of having 500 LinkedIn connections is A, if you spend quality time building a quality network, that it makes it easier to get introductions to other potential people. So that's the only benefit, but you can also get the same benefit if you have like 300 good connections or even just 100. It all depends on the quality and how well connected this person is. Now, some people believe if they have 500 plus connections, people will see that and say, oh, this one is like a very special person because the LinkedIn profile shows 500 plus connection, because LinkedIn will stop counting the number of connections once you are above 500. So they believe in some way that every other person on LinkedIn will just look at this number and say like, hey, if this person has 402 connections, I'm not going to reply to their message. I'm not going to take them seriously. And that's complete bullshit. I've seen people having like 86 connections and they were able to generate high quality leads on LinkedIn, getting customers. It doesn't really matter. It just depends really on how much effort you're putting into getting your profile out, creating the content, and getting an overall great first impression on LinkedIn when you're communicating to other people. And I would really recommend rather have 86 high quality connections than to go for just random people. It's 100 times more effective to have just like 10 good friends than having like 100 people would not lift a finger if you need something. So really pay attention that you only focus on building a quality network. So the number doesn't really matter. A lot of people just think it does in practice and reality. I have not found that it makes any difference. It really depends on building your quality network and then developing your skills, optimizing your profile, getting the right content, learning how to do cold messaging. And if you want to learn how to do this, you can also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, where I teach you exactly how to build an entire LinkedIn sales funnel. Even if you have just 10 connections, this will really help you. And if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn marketing, also make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.